Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we're going to be doing something just a little different. I was having a discussion with one of our amazing viewers, and he was talking about using a base coat when doing a flip cup. Now, I do quite a bit of flip cups, and I don't think I really use base coats. You just fill the cup, flip it, you know what to do. So today we're going to test it out. We're going to do 3 little mini flip cups. I do have a new oxide black from Amsterdam, so we're going to test that out today also. I like to let's just get pouring. I'm going to go through the colors as we pour. I'm going to try to go through the cups quick so they don't sit as long. And let's get going. So we're going to do the oxide black on the bottom first, just a little. And I'm going to pour them straight on as if we were doing, say, blooms, okay, instead of on an angle. So let's do that. So start off with our oxide black. All right. Let's go with our turquoise. All right. I like these little mini flip cups so much. I really do. And I think it's going to look nice on the white. All right, we have a cadmium yellow light hue for this right here. This is just magenta. All right. And I'm not going to fill the cups all the way. And the reason for that is I also want to test out the force of the cup slamming down and seeing how that is also going to affect cells. All right. Now we are going to put a little bit. Actually, no, we're not going to do that. I'm going to put. That's my base coat titanium white, which is actually thicker than my regular pouring titanium white, which we're actually going to add just a little bit. It's a good thing I had that ready to go. Okay, just a little bit. Now we're going to cycle through everything again. And I'm probably going to speed this up just to let you know. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. All right, we're back. We got the cups going. So this should be a lot of fun. We're going to get those cups off fast so that we can get this base down right now. All right. Ooh, I got a little bit of blue here. I'm going to come in. I don't usually do this. I'm going to try to pick that up a little. There we go. Okay, let's pour this base in, guys. Now it's a little bit thicker. All right. Here we go. Let's go right into that blue. There you go. Okay, that's thicker. So these flip cups should sit in them, I hope. Let's see. All right. Okay, there we go. Pillow is down. Now, flip cup number 1. Ready? Here we go. We're going to do a lot of force on this. Bam! Ooh. That was a lot of force. I think it's went splattered this way. That was a lot of force. Let's try not as much force this time. There we go. Nice and normal. Same thing here. Ooh. Bam. All right, we got 3 down right now. All right. Now, we're going to take some of the regular titanium. Now, this is a different consistency, so this should flow just a little easy and let the whole pillow flow. All right. There we go. All right, guys, you ready for the flip cups? Here we go. First one is, which way should we go? That way, I guess. Actually, let's go straight up. That way they sit in there. Here we go. Boom. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, here's the first cup. All right. Now, ready for the next one. All right, here we go. Let's try the second one. Straight up. Okay, that was a little different. A lot of white came in that one. Not as much white in that one. I wonder if this is the white that was inside though. Let's try the third one. I'm gonna move it just a little, just to place it there. Let's go up. Here we go. Well, I love that all the flip cups look slightly different, so that was kind of cool. Now, I know this looks crazy. Let's see how they're gonna stretch out on the pillow, but I do want to torch everything first with the big torch first. Ooh, baby. That's hot. There we go. Wake these cells up here. I like that first flip cup the most. Came out the best. Oh, and this was the first flip cup that I slammed down. So let's think about force when doing the flip cups. All right, here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen here. This is something I never do. I just want to stretch them. See what happens. There's the oxide black. That looks like it went through everything instead of laying on top. So that might not be the way to go. Because really, it's just in the you know, we say it all the time. It's in the titanium white. Maybe we should start calling this calling it tea white or something. Everybody uses this titanium white. I do like this. Oh, let's stretch out a little. What do you think, guys? It's kind of different. All right, we're gonna stretch it out. I want to stretch out that the top right a little. I like the one on the bottom. I like the one on the left. Now let's work on this top right one. There you go, because we haven't really done anything. That one's not really. There we go. Let's stretch that out a little. Okay, guys. Yeah, that top right one's has been a problem. Alright, so we definitely have the nice negative space in this. Alright. See if we can move these two over. I wonder if we should just go with 2 instead of 3, because there's a lot of negative space in the middle. Oh, I can't wait. Going for a close-up here. Let's see if we can get some close-ups now. Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, the top right corner needs to be. There we go. It's coming down a little now. Let's see if we can stretch it. Alright, here we go. Let's come back into view. You guys see everything that's going on. I don't mind stretching because I feel like this stretching is also creating lots and lots of cells in here. Oh, that right side is just not. Let's re-stretch. I think we're going to try to take that right side out a little. Alright. Let's stretch that right side almost all the way down. Let's see if we can stretch it down. No, it's just not moving. Alright, let's bring these in. Takes up some more of that negative space. And there we go, guys. Alright, we're going to come in for a close-up. This is going to look pretty cool. But we actually do want to torch first. On this. This is some crazy, 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 crazy colors. Let's torch. I'm going to go. Again, a lot of movement first. So let's go with the big torch first. Alright. Alright. That way, got some of the bubbles there. I'm going to come with my little torch. I do find the little torch works very well with cells too. And we should have heated this up before I moved it with the little torch. The little torch does very well. Probably would have overstretched the cells though. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'm going to go in for the close-up and let's see how we like the cell development and the colors in this. I kind of think it worked out really well. So we'll see you next time.